Hello students, welcome to Ratan classes. And in last class beta we did about the male reproductive part in flower reproduction, and today we will be going to discuss about the female reproductive part. Beta, in last class we have done about male reproductive part and the microsporogenesis, structure of the flower, and structure of female reproductive part. Today, beta, we are going to discuss about in detail about the female reproductive part. Let's take a overview what we have done about female reproductive part in the last class. We have discussed this structure. Beta, this is stigma, the receiving part where the pollen grains will be received. This is style from where the pollen tube will enter into the ovary, and ovary is the swollen part, and in the swollen part, beta, their ovules are present. This is ovary. Now, beta, if the single carpel is present, okay, the single carpel is present, then the this you can see in this diagram when the single carpel is there, single carpel is there, that is called as monocarpellary. Monocarpellary. When beta multiple carpels are present in a gynoecium, multiple carpels are present in a gynoecium, then beta, it is called as multicarpellary. Multicarpellary. Now beta, the multiple carpel may be fused or free. When it is fused beta, it is called as syncarpus. When it is fused, it is called as syncarpus. And beta, when it is free, it is called as apocarpus. Apocarpus. Now, beta, we have to discuss about the structure of the ovule. This is the structure of the ovule. Let's discuss in detail about the structure of the ovule, bachche. This is beta funicle. Funicle is the part from where the ovule is attached to the placenta. It is this portion from where the ovule is attached to the placenta, beta. Then beta micropylar end is the end from where the pollen tube will enter into it. Pollen tube entry part. The outer integument and inner integument are the layers of the ovule. This is beta nucellus, and in nucellus beta the germ cells are present which will convert into the female gamete. And beta in which where the nucellus are present, where these cells are present, the center portion is known as embryo sac, where the embryo will develop, and this is called as beta chalajal pole. Now beta, we have to see how the nucellus is converted into the female gametophyte. The female gametophyte. So let's see how the nucellus is converted into female gametophyte, and this process is called as megasporogenesis. Megasporogenesis. Megasporogenesis is the formation of female gamete. Formation of female gamete. Now, beta, let's see. We have seen the nucellus. Okay. Inside the nucellus, beta, there are lot of cells. These are the cells. In nucellus beta, the cells are present and these are the germ cells, means they are 2n. First of all, beta, mitosis will take place. Mitosis will take place and they will increase in number and they will grow in the size. Now, beta, which cell is near to micropylar end? Which cell is near to micropylar end? It will convert into it will convert into mature megaspore cell, or you can say megaspore mother cell. Why the cell near to the micropylar end will convert into the MMC, mature megaspore mother cell? Because beta pollen tube has to enter through the micropylar end. Okay. Now beta, which cell is near to the micropylar end that is converted into MMC and it is 2N. Now the meiosis will take place. The meiosis will take place and the 2N cells will be converted into megaspore tetrad. Megaspore tetrad. Beta, out of these four cells, only one cell will further develop into female gametophyte. All other three cells beta will degenerate. All the other three cells will degenerate. Beta, in microsporogenesis, all the four cells get converted into male gametophyte, but in female gametophyte, only one cell get converted to the female gametocyte, the megaspore tetrad, only one cell will be getting converted into the female gametophyte. Is this thing clear? Okay, only the one cell will get converted into the female gametophyte. Now, beta, in this one cell, let's consider this is that one cell. In this one cell, beta, the free nuclear division will take place. Free nuclear division will take place. That means beta only nucleus divide will divide. Only the nucleus will divide. So this cell converts into two nuclei, then into the four nuclei. Then beta there comes a vacuole in between. Then which it divides into eight nuclei. This is the free nuclear division. Now beta, the cytokinesis will take place. Cytokinesis will take place. But after the cytokinesis, what will happen? The cell will convert it into mature embryo sac. The mature embryo sac. Let's see how it is converted into mature embryo sac. This is the free nucleus cell. First, it is converted into two nuclei, then, it is converted into four nuclei, then, beta, it is converted into eight nuclei, and cells are formed. Three antipodal cells will be formed. Two nucleus will move inside. They are called as polar nuclei. And beta, three nuclei comes here and this get converted into two synergid and one egg cell. Let's count the cells, beta. This is first cell, second cell, and three cell. All these three are antipodal cells, and three nuclei are there. These three are beta. Two are synergids. These two are synergids, and this is egg cell. Together, this is called as beta egg apparatus, and these are polar nuclei. Which one you are seeing? This one, the biggest cell which is present, that is called as central cell, and these three are antipodal cells. Beta, now you will see how many cells we have: one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have 7 cells and 8 nuclei. In mature embryo sac, beta, we have 7 cells and 8 nuclei. Beta, in the synergids, there is thickening of the cell over here. Okay, the synergids have thickening of the cell. That is called as filiform apparatus. Filiform apparatus. Here the cell material is thickened. This have special function. They guide the pollen tube to enter into the embryo sac. Guide the tube to enter. This is beta mature embryo sac. Now in the next class, beta, we will discuss about pollen pistil interaction and entry of the pollen tube into the embryo sac, also the development of the embryo. Thank you.